What's up, everybody? Welcome to my kitchen. You saw that thumbnail. It is seasoned mac and cheese. I call it seasoned mac and cheese because I use my flour. So with my flour, they made a roux with this flour and say it was amazing. I am old school. I typically just make a cheese sauce, and everyone tells me I had the best macaroni and cheese around. I don't usually make a roux. So I made it. I tested on the family. They was like, okay, this is your new mac and cheese. Cooking with the Davis, this video is for you. So guys, welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome to everybody who been buying my flour. I hope you guys enjoyed the skit. It was meant to be funny, but it was meant to be funny and quirky. You know what it was. I loved it. Hopefully we can make another one day. In this pan, I got a stick of butter. What's a half a stick of butter? Is I'm doing a half a cup of flour. I'm adding the portions out. Yes, I'm just doing it like this because I just know for some reason I do. I already did my noodles, which was easy for you guys. But yeah, now I'm just gonna stir this until all that flour taste is out of here, guys. Again, I use a half a stick of butter. So if you use a half a stick of butter, you want to use a half a cup, which is maybe 6 tablespoons of flour. But I use a half a stick of butter. Look at that. And a half a cup of my seasoned flour. While that's getting the impurities and there's a taste of that raw flour taste. I have my noodles already cooked here. I'm gonna add 2 eggs to this. Because I wanted to cook like for a couple of seconds just to get that flour taste out of there. I'm gonna stir my noodles up. Follow instructions on the your noodle box. Wait until your noodles cool down some before you add your eggs. That's what I did. I waited about good 15 minutes. Then I added my eggs in here. The noodles are still hot, but not piping hot. Okay, that's looking the way I wanted to look, right? Over there. So let me add in about 2.5 cups of milk. That's all I'm going in there with. About 2.5 cups of milk. It's gonna be stick to your bone type. I'm telling you guys, I was so skeptical because you can look at me. I'm not one who do seasoning. I just don't put seasoning in my flour, in my macaroni. I don't even put salt in my macaroni and cheese because the way I make it is so flavorful and it comes out great. I've been making it like that for years. I guess it's time for a change. So I'm just stirring up these eggs, guys, in this. This will go in the oven like on 400, guys, for about 30 minutes, 30 to 35, 40 minutes until I get that golden brown into a set. 375, 400, that's what I usually put it on. Okay, it's a little bit over a pound because I only had them boxes. They had 2 pounds in it. You really want to stir them eggs up because you don't want them to cook. But again, make sure you let your noodles cool off. I add a little bit of oil to my water. Now, my cheeses. You see my milk? And it smells good already. This milk just smells amazing because all the flavors are there. Get your flowers. Get your flowers and try this. Okay. I had some, it's going in. I had some velveetas. Ooh. I'm going to tell you guys all the cheeses it was. Okay. Okay. I had the small thing of velveetas in here. But you know what? You can actually get the clean. If you go to all these, I'm about to fall on myself. If you go to all these, you can get like the big processed cheese and use half of that. I got a cup of mozzarella, a cup of cheddar, a cup of parmesan, and an 8-ounce pack of cream cheese. And I'm gonna let all this just come together, melt down into my typical cheese sauce that I use, but I just don't use it with all these seasonings. And we're gonna be back. We're gonna let this melt and see what it do. And we're gonna put it all together, put it in the oven. I'm doing fried chicken tonight. What you doing with yours? Okay guys, we're back. Look at my cheese sauce. You can see the flavor. And it still has some hunks, but that's the cream cheese. Guess what? It's going to melt in here. I added in a half a cup of sour cream to this, guys. I don't care what I do. I got to put sour cream in my macaroni and cheese. It is a given. And I'm just stirring it up. Since it's so much sauce, what I decided to do, and I think I got the pan maybe a little bit too. So we're just gonna do just like this. Yeah, she making a mess, but that's okay. It's called soap and water, and I'm just gonna dip because I don't want to risk any chances of overflowing or lifting it up. Y'all hear my family? I guess I gotta remind them. Let me stir this up right here, guys. See how it's starting to come off on one side? Ooh. Okay, guys, look at me stirring this up. I'm trying to get that cheese sauce up in there. I don't want to overflow. And I have just enough amount of cheese in here. I'm gonna add some more. Look at all that cheese sauce I got in this pan. I might have made a little bit too much, but guess what? You know you can freeze cheese sauce, right? You know you can freeze it. But remember, I like a cheesy macaroni. Don't think this is going to be it. Look at that. Looking good. It look good with the cheese sauce just like that, don't it? Yes, but let's get some more. I ain't stopping right there. I want to get it all that I could get. They're going to enjoy this tonight. And you can tell that it's seasoned and it's cheesy. It's going to be nice and stiff. Look at that. Make sure you stir your cheese up in there. You want a good cheesy macaroni.
I want some of that.
Brandon back there talking, I want some of that. I want it with some more cheese sauce. When you make your cheese sauce, it's up to you how much cheese you put in it. You know what I'm saying? Again, if you have any sauce left, you can freeze it. You can freeze it. Let it cool down at first. You gotta let it cool down. And get you one of those containers and just freeze your sauce. But this is all I'm putting in here. I think this is ready. And the flavors is just so here. It smells awesome. We're gonna stir this up. I'm gonna wash my hands. We're gonna come right back. Okay, guys, we're back. Macaroni and cheese, not make that look cheesy, don't it? It smells good. I'm gonna take a little bit of my mozzarella cheese. Because even though she told me what to do, I'm still pretty much doing it. She didn't give me the cheeses that she put in there. She just told me that she made a roux, Miss Davis. So, I made a roux. Okay? We going down with some cheddar cheese. Ooh. Chopped cheddar cheese. Again, I got my oven preheated. I'm going to go 375. About a half a cup of both, guys. You know. In the oven. That's it. That's all. I'm going to place this in the oven at 375. About for 40 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, guys, we're back. This mac and cheese is done. Look at that food. That looks so good. What y'all having? Fried chicken with that SoulfulT flour. Yeah. Now let's get this. It's nice and it's stiff. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I can't even get it up. That looks so good. You can see the parsley flakes. You can see how cheesy it is. I wish I could taste it. I try to get somebody to do a mukbang, guys. It's just me in the house. I can't taste it, but I guarantee you, I'm going to taste one piece. One meal. That's something different. That's something so good and savory. Ooh, that's good. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time, get you some of this flour so you can make what? Seasoned macaroni and cheese. Nice crispy seasoned chicken in the link below. Hit that bell to be notified, but look at that. Thanks for all the support, Soul Squad. Until next video, love you guys.